Hey, let's talk about Credit Karma and let's talk about Nerdwallet. As you know, these are both platforms that several people have been asking me, Maverick, what do you think about these two platforms? And that is why today I've decided to discuss about both platforms. Credit Karma, as you know, they provide free credit scores and reports, credit monitoring and financial recommendations based on users' credit profile. Also, they use data from TransUnion and Equifax to offer personalized tips and advice for improving credit scores. Also, the platform also includes a variety of financial tools, including tax filing services, credit card and loan recommendations, and also they offer identity monitoring. Okay, now let's talk about Nerdwallet. At the other hand, Nerdwallet, they offer financial tools and resources to help users to make informed financial decisions, and they also provide reviews and comparison of credit cards, loans, insurance, banking products and investments. And Nerdwallet also offers personalized financial advice, budgeting tools, and network tracking. So they kind of use Plaid to connect and monitor users' financial accounts, so giving a comprehensive view of their users' finances. So now let's talk about differences between these two platforms and talking about the best in each. The first one right here is the primary focus. Now, Credit Karma, the focus on credit scores and credit monitoring, while Nerdwallet, they provide a broader range of financial tools, including budgeting, net worth tracking, and personalized financial advice. So right here, I'm still gonna go with Nerdwallet for its comprehensive financial management tools. Talk about credit scores. Nerdwallet, they provide free credit scores, typically from Vantage Score 3.0. While that of Credit Karma, they offer free credit scores and reports from TransUnion and Equifax. So the best here will still be Credit Karma for offering scores from two major credit bureaus. Why, when it comes to credit monitoring, Credit Karma, they provide free credit monitoring with alerts for significant changes, while Nerdwallet, they offer basic credit score updates and monitoring. So the best here will still go to Credit Karma for its comprehensive credit monitoring. Let's talk about financial product recommendations. When it comes to Credit Karma, they recommend credit cards and loans based on users' credit profile. While when it comes to Nerdwallet, they provide detailed reviews and comparison of a wide range of financial products, including credit cards, loans, insurance, and investment. So right here, I'm still gonna go with Nerdwallet for its detailed and extensive financial product comparison. Talk about tax services. Credit Karma, they offer free tax filing services, which is included in the Credit Karma tax and which is now known as the Cash App taxes. And Nerdwallet, at the other end, they do not provide tax filing services. So right here, the best here would be Credit Karma for offering free tax filing services. Talking about budgeting tools, when it comes to Credit Karma, they have basic budgeting tools which is focused on debt management, while Nerdwallet, at the other hand, they have comprehensive budgeting tools with customizable categories and spending tracking. So I'm still gonna go with Nerdwallet for this as the best because it has advanced budgeting tools. Let's talk about network tracking. Nerdwallet, they provide tools to track net worth by linking various financial accounts, but Credit Karma, they do not offer net worth tracking. So right here, Nerdwallet is the best for its network tracking feature. Talk about account integration. Credit Karma, they have limited integrations mainly for credit card and loan tracking, but Nerdwallet, they use Plaid to link and track a wide range of financial accounts, including bank accounts, investments, and real estate. So Nerdwallet will be the best here for comprehensive account integration. Talk about user interface and experience. Credit Karma, they have user-friendly interface which is focused on credit information, while Nerdwallet right here, they have comprehensive dashboard with detailed financial insights. So the best here will still be Nerdwallet for its detailed and informative interface. Talk about educational resources. Nerdwallet, they provide a lot of extensive educational resources on a wide range of financial topics, while Credit Karma, they offer educational articles which is focused on credit improvement. So the best here we go to Nerdwallet for its broad educational content. Talk about investment tracking. Nerdwallet, they offer tools to track investments and integrate with other financial accounts, while when it comes to Credit Karma, they do not track investments. So best here is Nerdwallet for investment tracking capabilities. Talk about customer support. Credit Karma, they offer customer support primarily through online help and frequently asked questions. Why, when it comes to Nerdwallet, they provide customer support through various channels including email and social media. So this one will be a tie because both platforms offer good customer support. Let's talk about mobile app functionality. Credit Karma, they have good mobile app which is focused on credit scores and credit monitoring, but Nerdwallet, they have a very good one because their mobile app includes budgeting, network tracking, and financial products recommendation. So the best here we go to Nerdwallet for a more versatile mobile application. Talk about the penultimate key point here, which is security features. Credit Karma, they offer, identity monitoring and alerts for potential frauds. But Nerdwallet, they have, focus on secure connections and account monitoring, but they lack dedicated identity monitoring. So right here, we're gonna go with Credit Karma for its robust identity monitoring. The last point I have here is user community and reviews. Now, Credit Karma, they have large user base with many reviews focusing on credit monitoring services. Why Nerdwallet have been widely praised for its comprehensive financial tools and user-friendly design. So here we're gonna go with Nerdwallet for its broad range of financial management features and also the fact that they have huge community support. So in conclusion, why Credit Karma excels in providing detailed credit scores, credit monitoring, and free tax filing services, I'm gonna go with Nerdwallet because it stands out as the better platform for comprehensive financial management and also offering detailed budgeting tools, net worth tracking, and extensive financial products comparison. So the best platform ultimately depends on you as a user, depending on your specific financial needs and goals. So that is it that I have for you in today's video. I've talked about the things that each one offers, so you can go for anyone that you feel. In case you need just credit score, credit monitoring, and free tax filing service, Credit Karma is okay. But in case you want comprehensive financial management and also offering detailed budgeting tools, network tracking, and extensive financial products comparison, then you need to really go for Nerdwallet. So that is what I have for you. Let us know which one you prefer in the comment box and your reason. Possibly other people are able to learn from you and we're able to rub minds together. Thank you very much for your time. Till I see you in the next video. Peace and enjoy this every day. Bye.